Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily download the Kanopy application on your iPhone within a few minutes. So in order to do that, first of all, make sure that your mobile device is connected to a stable internet. Now, open your App Store. In the search box, search for Kanopy, and then after you make a search for it, look for this application. Kanopy is a popular video streaming platform which offers a wide range of films, documentaries, and educational contents. To download the application, tap on the Get button and follow through the sign-in process by entering your Apple ID credentials or simply log in with a Face ID. Soon after you are done, the application download process should begin. Wait until the download is completed, and once it is, you can open the application and start streaming with no ads, no payments, and enjoy a wide range of educational contents, movies, TV shows, and much more. You can go ahead and access the extensive library of movies, documentaries, educational contents, and much more from the application. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open to launch it open on your iPhone. Allow necessary permissions for the app and get started by signing up for the application, and you should be able to use the application right on your mobile device. So that is how you can easily download Kanopy application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.